Hi, I'm Iñigo Gaston, and my project for English class is to repair and reuse a Vespa from the 70s. This Vespa is a Vespa Primavera of 75cc, and what we're going to do is we're going to take out the motor, we're going to take out all the electronics, we're going to replace the electronics with new ones, and the motor, we're going to repair it individually, because it's the most important part. After that, we'll build it all back together. The chassis is going to have a paint job, and it's going to look as good as new. As you can see, the Vespa is completely destroyed. This is when the Vespa came to our house, and we were just going through the things we had to do. So here you can see how it's really rusty, and we're going to take it to the shop so we can paint it and leave it as good as new. There's the chassis, and it's going to be green. So this is a motor, and it's with the wheel. We're going to open it and repair every single piece. So we cleaned it, we replaced the pieces that were broken, and we put it back together. It's finally painted and it looks great. All we have to do is put in the cables, put everything back together, put the motor and the wheel over there in the back, and we're good to go. And finally, images how the Vespa was before we restored it and after we restored it. So, I finally finished the project. I really hope you liked it, and there's much more to the video. I just wanted to make it short. I couldn't go out with the motorbike because we're in the middle of quarantine, but I have been riding it before quarantine, and it's great.